Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Powerlifter Pet Belt is probably one of the most effective and affordable vacuum cleaners for pet owners. If you're tired of pet hair taking over your home, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the Bissell Powerlifter Pet Belt, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for your cleaning needs. We'll cover everything from its suction power to its specialized pet tools. Number 5. KEEPOW 6960W Belt for Bissell Proheat Steamer. Is your Bissell cleaner not performing like it used to? This belt is compatible with several Proheat and Powerlifter series models. Make sure this is the right fit for your machine before you buy. Made from high-quality rubber, this belt is built to last. It's durable and flexible, ensuring your vacuum runs at its best. This will help you keep your home clean. To maintain optimal cleaning performance, replace the belt every 3 to 6 months. This simple step can make a big difference in how well your cleaner works. Don't wait until it breaks. If your vacuum isn't cleaning effectively or the brush rollers aren't turning, it's time for a new belt. Check your user guide for easy installation instructions. It's a quick fix. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues. Contact us, and we'll resolve your problem quickly. We want to make sure you're satisfied with the product. What we like. This belt offers wide compatibility, fitting various Bissell Proheat models. It's made of durable rubber, ensuring long-lasting performance. Replacing the belt is easy, so you can quickly get your cleaner back in action. If you have multiple Bissell models or are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect for my carpet cleaner. Fast delivery and perfect fit. Number 4. KEEPOW Replacement Belt Set for Bissell Proheat 2X. Is your Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Cleaner not working as well as it used to? The problem might be the belts. These replacement belts from KEEPOW are designed to restore its cleaning power. These belts are compatible with a wide range of Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro models, including 1986, 1964, and 2007 series. Check your model number to ensure a perfect fit. They are designed to work seamlessly with your machine. Made from high-quality, slightly elastic rubber, these belts are built to last. You can count on them to withstand regular use and provide reliable performance. They are made to be durable and long-lasting. Replacing the belts is simple. Just remove the old or broken ones and replace them with these new ones. It's a quick and easy way to get your vacuum cleaner back in top shape. You'll have it running in no time. The package includes a set of replacement belts. You'll receive multiple belts to keep your cleaner running smoothly. This ensures you have spares on hand when you need them. If you have any questions, our customer support team is available 24/7. Feel free to reach out to us for assistance. We are here to help you. What we like. This set is specifically designed for Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro cleaners. The belts are made of high-quality rubber, ensuring durability. The package includes multiple belts, providing great value. If you own a Proheat 2X Revolution and want a reliable replacement, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect fit for my vacuum cleaner. The improvement in performance is shocking. If you haven't changed out your belts before, it is highly recommended. I feel like I have much better power as well as a much quieter machine. Great product. The belts fit perfectly. It's absolutely perfect. Very easy to install. Number 3. Replacement belts for Bissell Powerlifter CleanView Vacuum. These replacement belts are designed for your Bissell vacuum. They are made of high-quality rubber and are easy to install, getting your vacuum back in action quickly. These belts fit a wide range of Bissell Powerlifter and CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Vacuum models. Check the list to see if it's compatible with yours. This pack includes 2 replacement belts, ensuring you have a spare. It replaces part number 30311120 and is a perfect fit for your vacuum. Made from durable rubber, these belts are built to last. They provide optimal performance for your vacuum, ensuring efficient cleaning. Replacing your vacuum belt is simple and straightforward. With these belts, you can quickly restore your vacuum's cleaning power. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you with your purchase. What we like. This belt is designed to fit Bissell Powerlifter and CleanView Swivel Rewind pet vacuums. It's made of high-quality rubber, ensuring durability. The package includes 2 belts, so you'll have a spare. If you have a Powerlifter or CleanView model and want a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfectly for my Bissell Vacuum Model 2260 Powerlifter Swivel Pet Band, wasn't too tight and still working, no breakage several times after using it. Came with 2 belts. Put one in a couple years ago. It lasted until I vacuumed up a rock the dog brought and broke when it overheated the belt. Remembered I had a spare, so I changed it out and works good. Perfect fit. Seems to be lasting a while. Number 2. KEEPOW belts for Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution. Are you tired of your vacuum cleaner not working properly? These KEEPOW replacement belts are designed specifically for your Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution vacuum. It will get your machine running like new again. These belts are compatible with various Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution models, including 1986, 1964, and 2007 series. Check the full list to ensure it fits your specific model. It's a perfect fit for your machine. Made from high-quality, slightly elastic rubber, these belts are built to last. They are designed to withstand regular use and won't break easily. You can rely on them for consistent performance. Replacing the belt is a breeze. Simply remove the old or worn belt and replace it with a new one. This will quickly reactivate your vacuum cleaner. It's a simple fix. The package includes a set of belts, providing you with everything you need. You'll receive multiple belts to keep your vacuum running smoothly. This ensures you have spares on hand. We're here to help. If you have any questions, our customer service team is available 24/7. Feel free to reach out for assistance. We are happy to help you. What we like. This set is designed for the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Cleaner. The belts are made of high-quality rubber, which is durable. The belts are easy to install, so you can quickly replace them. If you own a Proheat 2X Revolution and want a reliable replacement, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Fit like a charm. Seems like good quality. I like that there are 2 sets of both belts. I ordered the replacements and was able to change all 3 belts and have a second spare for future needs. Fit every roller perfectly and is still running after months of use and abuse. Number 1. Replacement belt for Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Pet. Is your Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Pet vacuum cleaner not performing as well as it used to? This replacement belt can help. It's designed to restore the cleaning power of your vacuum. This belt is compatible with Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Pet models 2260, 2259, 2920, and 1794. It's a direct replacement for part number 2031093. Installing this belt is a breeze. Simply replace the old belt with this new one. It's a quick and easy way to maintain your vacuum's performance. For optimal cleaning results, it's recommended to replace the belt every 6 to 12 months. This will help keep your vacuum running efficiently. If you're unsure whether this belt is the right fit for your vacuum, please send a message with your vacuum model number. We're happy to assist you. What we like. This belt is designed to fit Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Pet vacuum cleaners. It's easy to install, so you can quickly replace it. The package includes 2 belts, so you'll have a spare. If you have a Powerlifter Swivel model and want a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The brush roll is easy to remove and clean. The suction is great. The swivel steering is a great feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.